Upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we simplify your shopping decisions. Today, we're comparing two fantastic products, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II with the RF 24 to 105mm f4 LUSM lens kit and the Canon EOS R6 Mark II body only. Both of these cameras have a lot to offer, but which one is the right fit for you? Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the price. The RF 24 to 105mm f4 LUSM lens kit, or Lensi, is priced at $3,599, which is a significant investment, but it includes a versatile lens that can handle a variety of shooting situations. Meanwhile, the body-only version, or bodybuilder, is available for $2,499, making it a more budget-friendly option for those who may already own lenses or prefer to choose their own. Reviewers of Bodybuilder appreciate the savings while still getting an exceptional camera body. When it comes to image quality, both products feature a 24.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering stunningly detailed images. Reviewers of Lensi rave about its sharpness and versatility, especially for wedding photography, while bodybuilder users also emphasize its impressive image quality. Both cameras excel in this area, but Lensi's lens may give it a slight advantage when it comes to capturing that perfect shot. Now, let's talk about continuous shooting speed. Lensi can fire off 12 frames per second with its mechanical shutter and a staggering 40 FPS with the electronic shutter, which is perfect for capturing fast action. Bodybuilder also boasts a 40 FPS shooting speed, but only with the electronic shutter. Reviewers of both products highlight their ability to capture those fleeting moments, making them both excellent choices for action photography. Next up is autofocus. Lensi features dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with 1053 AF zones, ensuring quick and precise focusing. Reviewers love how fast Lensi locks onto subjects, while Bodybuilder's autofocus is also praised for its reliability and versatility, making it suitable for everything from portraits to wildlife. Both cameras shine in this area, but Lensi's extensive AF coverage gives it a slight edge. Lastly, let's look at video recording capabilities. Lensi can record up to 6 hours of full HD video, making it ideal for long events like family reunions. On the other hand, Bodybuilder offers 6K oversampled uncropped 4K movies at 60 FPS, which is a fantastic option for videographers. Reviewers of Bodybuilder appreciate its higher video resolution for professional quality content, while Lensi's long recording time is a plus for casual use. Both the Canon EOS R6 Mark II with the RF 24 to 105mm f4 LUSM lens kit and the body-only version receive high praise from users. Lensi is favored for its comprehensive package and exceptional image quality, while Bodybuilder is appreciated for its affordability and standalone capabilities. Each product has its strengths, making them suitable for different types of photographers. So, who takes the crown in this comparison? If you want the complete package with a fantastic lens, Lensi is your go-to. But if you're looking to save a bit while still getting an amazing camera, Bodybuilder is the way to go. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, sharing which product you prefer and why. Don't forget, product links are in the description.